Happy morning, my dear students. Today we are going to see about the how to draw electron dot structure of ethane, ethene, ethine. Okay, this three thing is the hydrocarbons. What is called hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means if the compound is made up of the hydrogen and carbon is called as the hydrocarbon. The symbol of the carbon is C. The atomic number is 6 and valency is 4. The hydrogen symbol is H, atomic number is 1 and the valency is also 1. We know the element will be happy when its outermost orbital is fulfilled. So, it will be 2 or 8. So, the hydrogen will have one of the 2 element in the outermost shell, 2 electron in the outermost shell, whereas other thing will having the 8 electron in the outermost shell. Okay. Now, we are going to see about the ethane. We know that if the compound is containing 1 carbon, then it is called as the meth, M-E-T-H, meth. If there is a 2 carbon is there, then it is called the eth, E-T-H, E-T-H. 3 carbon is there, then it is called the prop. 4 carbon is there, then it is called the but. 5 carbon is there, then it is called the pent. 6 carbon is there, then it is called the hex. This thing you have to by heart. Okay. If there is a 1 carbon, it is called as the meth. 2 carbon, it is called the eth. 3 carbon, it is called the prop. 4 carbon, it is called the but. 5 carbon, it is called the pent. 6 carbon is called the hex. So, here I am going to take the ethane. Okay, we know for the eth, how many carbons should be there? 2 carbons. Okay, what is the general formula for the alkane? The general formula of the alkane is CnH2n plus 2. I am going to substitute the 2 in the n place. So, C2H2, 2 into 2 plus 2. So, what is the general formula? C2H6. We know that is how many carbons are there? 2 carbon. How many hydrogens are there? 6 hydrogen. So, I am going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many valencies are there for the hydrogen? 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. How many valencies are there for the carbon? 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I said before itself, the hydrogen will be fulfilled when there is a 2 electron in the outermost shell. So, this hydrogen will be getting the 2 electron from this carbon. This hydrogen will be getting the 2 electron from this carbon. This hydrogen will be getting the 2 electron from this carbon. This hydrogen will be getting the 2 electron from this carbon. This hydrogen from this carbon. This hydrogen from this carbon. We know that carbon will be satisfied only if they get the 8 electrons. Where are the 8 electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many electrons are there? 8 electrons. Okay, va? Likewise, you have to take for this carbon also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this carbon will be also now satisfied with this one. Okay, now you say me, how many electrons are shared by the carbon? The carbon is going to share only 1 electron. So, this compound, ethane, will be have only single bond. The element which is having the hydrocarbon, which is having the single bond, is called as the alkane family. It is called as what family? Alkane family. Okay, next we are going to see about the ethane, alkene. What is the formula for the alkene? CnH2n. What is the formula? CnH2n. Okay, so here I am going to take the 2 carbon. So, C2H 2 into 2. So, what is the formula? C2H4. What is the formula? C2H4. How many carbons I am going to take? I am going to take the 2 carbon. How many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogens are there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. we know that hydrogen is having only the 1 electron in the outermost shell. 1, 1, 1, 1. We know the carbon is having the 4 electrons in the outermost shell. So here, for my convenience, I am going to write 1, 2, 1, 1. This side 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay. Now, this hydrogen is going to be fulfilled by getting 1 electron from this carbon. This hydrogen will be fulfilled by getting the 1 electron from this carbon. This hydrogen will be fulfilled by getting the 1 electron from this carbon. This hydrogen will be fulfilled by getting the 1 electron from this carbon. Okay. What about the carbon? The carbon should have the 8 electron. So, now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, totally it will be occupied the 8 electrons. This side you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, how many electrons are shared here? Here it shared 2 electrons. So, it is going to share the 2 electron. Means how many bonds will be formed? It will be form the 2 bonds. Okay, hydrocarbon which is going to form the 2 bond is called as the alkene. It is called as what? Alkene. Double bond will be formed in the alkene family. Okay, next we are going to see about the ethyne. Alkyne. What is the general formula of the alkyne? CnH2n minus 2. So here C2H2 into 2 minus 2. So what is the formula? I am going to take molecular formula C2H2. C2H2. We know if there is a 2 carbon is there, then the prefix will be the ethyne. It is called as what? Ethyne. Okay. So now how many carbons? 2 carbon. 2. How many hydrogens? 2 hydrogen. So 1, 2. How many electrons in the hydrogen will having? 1, 1. How many electrons for the carbon will having the 4? For my convenience, I am going to write 1 electron with the hydrogen, another 3 electron this side. 1 electron to the hydrogen, another 3 electron to this side. Okay. So, see here, this hydrogen will be fulfilled by getting this 1 electron from the carbon. This hydrogen will be fulfilled by getting the 1 electron from the carbon. Okay. Next, this carbon will be fulfilled by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This carbon will be fulfilled by getting the 3 electron from the another 1 carbon. So, totally 8 electrons. So, how many electrons are shared here? 3 electrons are shared. So, it will be formed the triple bond. It will be formed what? Triple bond. Okay. Thank you, students. If you are having any doubts, put it in the comments. All the best.